Merry meet and welcome to the Witch's Cauldron. This is Paula. I'm just going to do a quick voiceover video today to announce the winners of my Samhain 2019 giveaway. The winners are Maria Silenthill and Dylan Wilson. I have replied to both of your comments on the video, and if you would please DM me on Twitter at THEWITCHESCAUL1 or email me at FYREWYTCH82@gmail.com so that we can work out the details and I can get your addresses of where to send your spell kit. Again, thank you to everyone who entered and all of you who have supported my channel. You mean so much to me, you have no idea. So thank you so much, and as I always say, merry we did meet, merry we will part, until we merry meet again. Be well and walk in love and light, everybody.